This dance is called Going Blonde. It's a 32 count, 2 more, beginner level line dance with 1 tag. Starting on the right foot with some toe struts. And we're going to actually be travelling to the right with this first set of toe struts. So you're going to touch your right toe to the side, lower the heel. Remember, it's a seamless transition on these toe struts. Your toe does not leave the floor. You're then going to cross the left over the right as you step down on that left toe, lower the heel. Into a mambo cross. So you're going to rock to the side on the right, recover your weight back on that left, cross the right over the left as you mambo cross. And you're going to repeat those steps, travelling to the left. So you're going to step that left toe to the side, lower the heel, cross the right toe over the left, and lower the heel. Rock to the side on the left, recover your weight on the right, cross that left over the right. So mambo cross again. That set of steps once more then. Toe struts off on the right. 7, 8. Side, strut, cross, strut, mambo, cross. Side, strut, cross, strut, mambo, cross. Add on half a back rumba box. So you're going to step the right to the side, left beside right, step back on that right. Add on a chassé to the left, but put in a quarter turn on the end. So you step the left to the side, right beside left, quarter turn left as you step that left forward. And repeat. So half back rumba box, so step the right to the side, left beside right, step back on that right, and then that chassé quarter turn, left to the side, right beside left, quarter turn left as you step that left forward. Now set of steps once more then, half back rumba off on the right. 7, 8, side, close, back, side, close, turn, side, close, back, side, close, turn. Let's add that to the top. Toe struts off on the right. 7, 8, side, strut, cross, strut, mambo, cross, side, strut, cross, strut, mambo, cross, side, close, back, side, close, turn, side, close, back, side, close, turn. Add on a mambo step, so you're going to rock forward on the right, recover your weight back on the left, step the right beside the left. Run back 3 steps, left, right, left. Into a coaster step, right foot leading, so you step the right back, left beside right, step that right forward. And then run forward 3 steps, left, right, left. That set of steps once more then. Mambo off on the right. 7, 8, mambo step, back, 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 coaster step, run, run, run. Let's add that to the top. Toe struts off on the right. 7, 8, side strut, cross strut, mambo, cross, side strut, cross strut, mambo, cross, side, close, back, side, close, turn, side, close, back, side, close, turn, mambo step, back, 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 coaster step, run, run, run. You're going to add on some sugar feet. So you're going to touch your right toe behind the left and point the knee in. Touch the right heel forward, stomp the right forward. Repeat with the left. So you can touch that left behind the right, pointing your knee in. Touch the left heel forward, stomp the left forward. And then add on a jazz box with a cross. So you're going to cross it right over left, step back on the left, right to the side, cross that left over the right. That set of steps once more then. Sugar feet up on the right. 7, 8, toe, heel, stomp, toe, heel, stomp, cross, back, side, cross. So your just box is slower timing than the rest. End of the dance, when we get to that point, let's put it all together. Toe struts off on the right. 7, 8, side strut, cross strut, mambo, cross, side strut, cross strut, mambo, cross, side close, back, side close, turn, side close, back, side close, turn, mambo, step, back, 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 coaster, step, run, 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 toe, heel, stomp, toe, heel, stomp, cross, back, side, cross. That's your dance, but because it has got quite a few ands in there, I'll now go through it with the counts. Toe struts off on the right. 7, 8, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So hopefully that gives you a feel for the timing of the dance. Now it is a 2-wall dance, so let's have a go at the back wall, and we'll keep going when we get back to the front so you can see how the walls join together. Toe struts off on the right. 7, 8, side strut, cross strut, mambo, cross, side strut, cross strut, mambo, cross, side close, back, side close, turn, side close, back, side close, turn, mambo, step, back, 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 coaster, step, run, 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 toe, heel, stomp, cross, back, side, cross, side strut, cross strut, mambo, cross, side strut, cross strut, mambo, cross, side close, back, chassé, turn, side close, back, chassé, turn, mambo, step, back, 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 coaster, step, run, 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 toe, heel, stomp, cross, back, side, cross. So that is your dance. Now there is one little tag in this dance. It comes at the end of wall 5. Wall 5 will be your front wall, so you'll be facing the back when you come to do the tag. You will adjust on your jazz box with a cross. You'll tag quite simply. Cross the right over the left, and then unwind yourself half a turn over 3 counts. 2, 3, 4. Cross, unwind, all single count timing. Cross on 1, unwind, 2, 3, 4, and then you restart the dance again with your toe struts. So let's have a go at wall 5, add on the tag, and restart so you can see how it fits in. Toe struts off on the right. 7, 8, side strut, cross strut, mambo, cross, side strut, cross strut, mambo, cross, side close, back, side close, turn, side close, back, side close, turn, mambo, step, back, 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 coaster, step, run, 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 toe, heel, stomp, cross, back, side, cross, tag, cross, unwind, toe struts, mambo, cross, side strut, cross strut, mambo, cross, starts the dance again. So hopefully you can see how that fits in. End of wall 5, cross, unwind is your tag. So that is it. That is your dance, your walkthrough, your tag information. Let's give it a go to the music. 6, 7, 8. Side strut, cross strut, mambo cross. Side strut, cross strut, mambo cross. Side goes back, chassé turn. Side goes back, chassé turn. Mambo step, back, back, back. Toaster step, run, run, run. Toe heel strong, cross, back, side, cross. Side strut, cross strut, mambo cross. Side strut, cross strut, mambo cross. Side goes back, side goes turn. Side goes back, side goes turn. Mambo step, back, back, back. Toaster step, run, run, run. Toe heel stop, cross, back, side, cross. Toe straps. Rumba. Mambo. Sugarfoot. Toe straps. Rumba. Mambo. Sugarfoot. Tackle.
Word gets around, he should have known, just like the roots are gonna do. True colors always show.
Tag, cross, unwind. Toe straps.
He always said that he likes brunettes. Well, I guess those days are gone. He went from being my everything to just another cheating song. What a way to find out he's gonna find himself on the street and have to give me back my split key and find somewhere new to sleep. Oh, what a way to find out he's going gone.
Hope you managed that one.